got a run deal at CVS today when you guys do that tier promotion. So you want to go ahead and pick up one Downy beads at $12.99, the Tide Pods $12.99, the Tide priced at $12.99, and the Venus razor priced at $9.99. So when you do this deal, there is a glitch in the system and it's printing out a $30 extra buck instead of a $15 extra buck, which is amazing. Go over the receipt. So the Venus razors are priced at $9.99, the the Tide Paws, and the Downy. So these are all the digital coupons I had. There is a Downy fabric enhancer, $2, a Tide laundry detergent, a $3, the Gillette razor, a $3, and the Tide Paws, a $3. I did roll over $15 in extra bucks so I could pay a lower out-of-pocket cost. Paid $22, but then I got back that $30 extra buck. So girls and gentlemen, everybody run to CVS for this run deal.